Hello my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Banja, and yeah, so I haven't been on YouTube for a really long time since some people have been bothering me. I know guys, and I'm sorry. I promise there'll be more content, maybe every week, maybe even twice a week, who knows. Anyway, so far it's been warm and the weather is really nice. Okay, not for the past few days plus a week. It's been raining, but so far at least it's not snowing, because I don't like the cold. I think by now you know that I don't like the cold. I don't like feeling cold. It's so cold, just know that I don't like the cold. Anyway, so I wanted to record my preparations and stuff, but I already got my nails done and my lashes. I don't know if you can see my nails. Anyway, so I've been busy with school and stuff, so anyway, so there's just a few more hours till prom. I'm so excited. I have literally everything ready. My dress, okay, it's not really a dress, it's a two-piece, like a corset top. So that's that. Prom is tomorrow, graduation in 4 days. My dad comes tomorrow, or rather Saturday morning. Whatever. So I'm really excited. So I'll probably just show you the whole process of my hair getting done. Though if I foul it, I'm stopping the video, wherever it is, just there, until the final product. I don't know how long this video will be. I might have to cut the video into two, prom part and some activities in between, then graduation, dry grad and stuff. I'll explain what dry grad is when I get there. Anyway, so see you in the rest of the video.
Jessica, on your phone.
Okay, so don't mind my voice, but I have to do a voiceover because there were so many noises around. So anyway, so awkward. These are the things that I used: the rat tail comb, a makeup brush, a wig cap, a band, foundation that matched my skin tone, the bonding glue, the wax stick, more glue, and the freezing spray. Oh, and an eyebrow razor. Oh, because I was actually feeling really cute here, I could actually rock these cornrows. So I started with putting down the glue on my edges so that I can protect them when I wear the wig cap. Oh, and disclaimer, don't use my video as a tutorial because I really didn't know what I was doing, kind of. So more glue and stuff, so this might take a while. At this point, I just took the wig cap and put it on. Just made sure to place it down correctly so that all is well as I start to install the wig. I low-key kind of forgot what I was supposed to do, so I had to get like my laptop and watch the video.
Oh, great!
I didn't have the other hair dryer, so I just used the next best thing. It still worked the same, though it's different. But yeah, it still worked out okay. So that's my wig. It's an 18-inch wig, but it looks like it's about 20 something. It's actually longer than I thought it would be. It's really cute though. Cutting the lace was like one of the hardest things for me to do. The fact that I couldn't see made it even tougher, but I managed. So it's literally 1:22 a.m. and yeah, I'm like done now. And I have school in like what, 7 hours. I'm so tired. Anyway, at least I'm done. I won't have to do it today, like as in part of my preparations for prom. I'll just like relax or whatever. Anyway, bye. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are watching this. Yeah, bye. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Anyway, it's currently 2:31 p.m. That's like what, 4-5ish hours to prom. So yeah, I know off from school early so I can prep and stuff. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys an update on stuff. I really thought I was going to mess it up, but here we are, being cute as ever. Anyway, so I'm about to do an everything shower, and then I'll be back if I have anything to update on. early, 2 a.m. Yeah, okay. I didn't just come back from the airport, but yeah, something like that. Anyway, so I had a good night and good early morning, but I have to sleep, so